So to make our bumblebee decoration, you're going to need a toilet paper roll. And actually, you're only going to need half of this. So either you can make two bees or whatever, but ask mommy or daddy if they will cut the toilet paper roll in half for you. Because I want to make a cute little bee. Okay?
Now is your chance to pause the video.
So now we have our half toilet roll here. You're also gonna need some yellow paper. So we have some yellow paper here, and I want you to measure a strip of paper that is the same as your toilet paper roll. So I'm gonna line it up at the end of the paper, and I'm gonna take my pencil like this and make a little mark. So I know here, this is how wide my toilet paper roll is, okay? Then I can take my ruler and make a line down the paper.
Now is your chance to pause the video.
Next, we're going to cut that strip. And we're going to stick it to our toilet paper roll.
Now is your chance to pause the video.
Okay, so the trick here is to cover your toilet paper roll in glue. So to hold it by yourself, you can put your hand inside the roll, maybe 2 or 3 fingers. Hold it a little bit here with your thumb. Doesn't matter if you get glue on your hands because you can wash them later. And you're going to put glue all everywhere. Try to put as much glue as you can. You can see on my toilet paper roll, you can see all of the glue. If you don't put enough, then it won't be sticky. Okay, so there is my whole toilet paper roll covered in glue. And now this part's quite fun. I'm going to stick it at the top of my strip of paper and roll it down. Try and make sure that you can't really see any brown. And lucky, we have a little extra strip here, so I'm going to cut it a little bit shorter so we don't waste the paper. Just add a little bit more glue here to the end. And here we have the start of our bumblebee.
Now is your chance to pause the video.
Now we all know that a bee is yellow and black. So we need to put some black little stripes on our bee. So you can either use a pen or a pencil, but I think I'm going to stick with gluing the paper on, and I'm going to do some little black strips from some paper. So I'm going to take my black paper and I'm going to cut some little strips, very thin strips from the end. Very tiny ones. I'll just do 3. Perfect. Now, the same as, well, what we did before was put glue on the toilet roll, but this time we're going to put the glue onto the paper. So you can put your glue onto the paper and then stick it around your bee. Oh, I didn't put enough glue, so I'm just going to add a little bit more. And again, I have a little bit extra, so I'm just going to chop it. Oh, we have one stripe on the bee.
Now is your chance to pause the video.
And here we have a stripy little bee. But we know that his little wings are missing, because how can he fly without his wings? So next up, we need a little piece of white paper to make his wings. So to make his wings, you need a little piece of white paper. Put your bee to the side for now. And you're going to fold your white paper in half. I'm using a little recycled piece of paper because it's very important to be recycling and not wasting our things. Okay, so what you're going to do is take a pencil and you're going to draw this on the folded part of the paper. So on this side, okay? I'm going to draw some little bumblebee wings. Okay, so next we're going to cut it very carefully along the line. And here we have some very cute bumblebee wings, and we just need to put some glue in the middle, I think on the folded part, so that when you stick them to your bee, they look very cute. So here is our little bumblebee decoration.